want to be 40 minutes from Denver, tucked in this beautiful valley on 275 acres, then this property is for you. Let me show you why. Not all properties are created equal, and this property is exceptional. Nestled in conifer, you have your own private drive and gate. This has a well that pumps over 100 gallons a minute. It's got a generator so you could live off grid if you wanted to. And it's on 5 parcels, so you have trails for horses, snowshoeing, snowmobiling, hiking, and so much more. Wait till you see the views. This much acreage, there is so much you can do. My clients chose to build a guest house above the garage, 2 more outbuildings, and this property is perfect for a family compound, generational living. I'm literally surrounded by hummingbirds right now, and all of this can be yours. Can you hear that? Yeah, it's magical, right? But it's even better in person.